Did you know that in Greek mythology, Hercules, the strongest man who ever lived, was sold into slavery to a queen who made him spin wool while she wore his lion skin? After his famous 12 labors, Hercules killed again in a fit of rage. The gods had seen enough, but they didn't throw him into Tartarus. They didn't curse him with eternal suffering. Instead, they sold him at auction, like livestock. His buyer was Queen Omphale of Lydia, and she had a sense of humor. She took his lion skin, the one he ripped off the Nemean lion with his bare hands, and she wore it around the palace like a trophy. Then she handed Hercules a basket of wool and told him to get to work. The man who held up the sky, spinning thread, while a queen wore his kills. That was the punishment. Not fire, not monsters. Just 3 years of slow, deliberate humiliation. Some versions of the myth say they fell in love somewhere along the way, which honestly makes the whole thing even stranger.